Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the obvious hardware and account prerequisites are met. Confirm the phone is unlocked and supports your carrier bands, and that your account is active. Once those checks are complete, remove the SIM and inspect it under light. Clean contacts gently with a soft cloth and compressed air if available. Then reinsert the SIM in the correct tray orientation, power the phone fully off and back on, and watch for network search behavior before proceeding to deeper steps. Now you move into settings and software fixes that resolve most signal issues. First, toggle airplane mode on and off, then manually select your carrier and network operators to force a fresh registration. This often restores service. Next, check for carrier settings and system updates and install them, since outdated firmware can block registration. If you still lack signal, reset network settings to clear incorrect APN or VO LTE entries, then reboot. This wipes misconfigurations, but for final resolution, escalate through hardware and carrier pathways. Test your SIM in a different compatible phone to isolate the problem, and test a known good SIM in your phone to check the slot. If hardware is ruled out, call your carrier to verify provisioning, check for AMA blocks, and confirm local tower outages or SIM activation status. Once done, replace the SIM if damaged or visit a service center. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent signal persists, enable LTE only or preferred mode to stabilize registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.